how to change account location in Roblox. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change account location in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin. So in changing your account location in Roblox, what you can do is just go to settings over here, click on settings again, and then just go to account info and then scroll down until you see account location, and then you can change your account location from here. But if you can't change your account location, what you can do is to just scroll down from here until you see help. So just click on help, and then after that you'll be redirected here in the support page of Roblox. And then once you're here, what you want to do is you just click on I need help with my account. So just click on that, and then after that what you want to do is to go to the search bar over here and then just search up for location. There you go. So just click on account settings over here, account location. So just click on that, and then after that you'll be redirected here. So what you want to do from here is to contact the support team in Roblox. So to do that, what you want to do is to just scroll down until you see how do I change my account location. So just click on the support form link right here. You can open it in a new tab, and then there you go. So once you're here, what you want to do is to just input the details of your contact information like your username, first name, email address, confirming your email address, and of course your issue. And then there you go. Next are the issue details. So the first is what device are you having the problem on. So just input your device over here. So for me, I'm using PC. Next is the type of help category. So what you want to do is to choose here how to, and then just select general right here, how to general. And then after that just describe your issue over here. So let's say you can type in my account location in Roblox is wrong, and I want to change it, my official location is, and then just input your country over here. And then what you can also type is hope you guys can fix it, or some other descriptions that you can type in is that you accidentally change your Roblox location and you want to change it back again. Or what you can also do is that you change countries or immigrated to another country. So descriptions like those. And then once you're done setting up this contact information form, just click on continue. And then from there what you want to do is to just wait for the Roblox support team to reply to your support form, and then they will just fix it from there. So make sure to check your email from time to time in order to see if the Roblox support team replied to your issue. So that's basically how you can change account location in Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.